Okay, the second part is introduction. HTML of introduction. What is the full form of the HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. It is a web-based programming language. It is a state providing and computer language and also human readable. It's a document, but a web document which we can create web pages. It is easy to learn because it is predefined tags on it. And nowadays there is CSS, JavaScript is used in HTML for design and validation and etc. So what is the extension of HTML? HTML is extension is .htm and .html. For writing HTML, we use plain text editor, Notepad, Notepad++, Atom, Sublime, VS Code editor, Dreamweaver, Blue Griffon, and etc. All are the free tools except the Sublime text. So you can choose any text editor to use this or code this the HTML. And what about the output? In output we use browser, which is the browser like Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Opera or Internet Explorer. There is so many browser, but these are the popular browser we used and which for output.